Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover Steam account without password and email. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, say for example, you went over to Steam right here. Click on Welcome to Steam and just sign in. Okay, when you go ahead and type down your credentials, it doesn't go through. Maybe you forgot your email or password. So just go ahead and click on Help, I can't sign in. Now you could go ahead and click on I forgot my Steam account name or password. Now it's going to ask you to enter a phone number, okay, or email. So use the phone number, follow simple prompts, and once done, your account will be recovered. This one, and then check on I am human. Follow the simple verification process right here, and then just click on next, okay? Now click on search. Now it's going to ask you to send a confirmation to my Steam mobile app, or I have no longer access to my Steam mobile app. Or you have an option right here like email and account verification code to, you will be able to see your email. Okay. So just click on that option and just log into that specific email. So just basically select from one of these options, follow simple prompts, and once done, you're good to go. That is how you recover a Steam account without password and email. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.